Hey everybody, Professor Benelou with a motivational video to kickstart the semester. Can't wait to meet you all. First of all, the important dates coming up. The Monday the 12th, I will be holding my first office hour from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And Tuesday the 13th, I will be having our first chat. Look at our class schedule for that. And your Unit 1 due date's very important, everybody. On Friday, the 16th, you have two things due, everybody. Firstly, you have your Unit 1 discussion board assignment due, which is actually a really fun assignment. It's where you talk about yourselves and where you introduce yourselves to the class. I always love this assignment. It's us getting to know one another. So that is a great assignment. And also on Friday, the 16th, Unit 1 Determined Knowledge is due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Completing Determined Knowledge by the Friday deadlines is extremely important, my dear students, because completing the Determined Knowledge by the Friday deadline allows the system to create the learning path that you will need to complete for the Tuesday and Telepath deadline. And I will be going over this all in chat number 1, so not to worry. So anyway, very important due date in that sense. And then Tuesday the 20th, your Unit 1 in Telepath is due. So dive into this class, please. Get going on that Unit 1 discussion board assignment and that Unit 1 Determined Knowledge. And please don't hesitate to contact me with any questions. And I hope to see you all at our first chat on the 13th. Have a good one, everybody.